Hello, Kuya Beer, Ate Arlene, Melissa. Thank you for coming here in the Philippines, in Dagupan City. Thank you for stirring up the pastors here to do missions. And even up to now, we are doubling up our schedule so we can be able to catch up those networks and contacts that we have gathered out of that one event that we have, Youth Challenge. Thank you for being here. You guys did minister to not only to Hope, but to CMF as well, and EMC also. And may the Lord bless you, and we are praying that you guys, Kuya Bir, kayo ay magpapagaling, and that you could be able to recuperate from whatever colds or sickness that you've got. The Lord bless you. Thank you very much for coming here. You're such a blessing to us all. God bless.
Hi Tito Bir, Tita Arlene, Ate Melissa. Salamat po sa pagpunta niyo po rito sa Pilipinas at sa mga New York team din po. Malaki pong encouragement na pagpunta niyo po dito sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po. At kay Tito Bir po, sorry po kung nababaan ko po kayo ng code. Kasi po, hindi ko po marinig. Sorry po, hindi ko talaga marinig. At we miss you. At ingat po kayo dyan sa inyo. God bless po.
So, hi Dad, hi Mom, hi Ate Lisa. Sorry po kung ganito ang suit ko kasi kagagaling ko po ng student center. Thank you for giving me another chance to be your son. And ako lang po yung renewed contract na anak nyo. And we've been missing you guys so much. I've been missing you guys so much. Lagi ko pong iniintay yung tawag mo. So, and sometimes napapaisip po ako kung bakit po hindi kayo tumatawag. But still thank God kasi tumatawag pa rin po kayo. And for Mami Arlene, thank you po for being a mom to me, a second mom, and accepting me for who I am. And for Ate Melissa, thank you for being proud of me. And vice versa, I'm also proud. I'm also proud of you as my sister. Kasi I have a sister who's taking up medicine, and even though she's so stressed and worked out, she's burned out, she still have the time to call me. Thank you for everything na binigay niyo po sa akin, for the support that you've been giving me, and I love you guys with all my heart and hope to see you soon. Thank you again for everything. I love you. God bless. Mwah.
Hi Tito Bir, hi Tita Arlene, hi Ate Melissa. Kumusta na kayo? I'm thankful na part ako sa EMC New York Missions. Nagpapasalamat po ako dahil tinuruan po ako maging bold Christian. At kung hindi dahil sa inyo, wala akong nakilalang mga bagong kaibigan, katulad nila Jonathan, Sarah, Rebecca.
Hi, Macaray family. Hello po. Thank you po for blessing our lives here in Dagupan. Tsaka, Tito Bir, thank you po for training me how to be a bold Christian and a bold leader as well. Tapos, Tito, lahat po nung tinuro nyo ngayon, na-apply ko na in all aspects of my life. Kaya thank you po. Thank you rin po for praying for my family and extending your arms towards us. Tito Bir, thank you po talaga sa lahat ng binigay nyo, ginawa nyo, ng mga pagod nyo para sa amin dito. More blessings to come, and I love you po.
Hello, Tito Bir. Hi, Tita Arlene. Hi, Ate Melissa. I just want to thank you because I was able to share my testimony to others, and thank you for helping us to be a bold Christian. I just want you to know that I'm so blessed to have you and the AMC family. I will pray for the mission and for your family, especially your health, Tito. And translation, I love you and I miss you a lot. And translation, I hope you come back.
Bye!
Hi Dad, Mom, and Ate Melissa. Just wanna thank God for giving me this time para pasalamatan kayo, and kulang mo yung time ngayon para pasalamatan kayo, pero masabi ko lang is maraming salamat kasi nakita ko sa buhay niyo na kung paano kayo ginamit ng Panginoon para i-bless yung ibang tao, at salamat din sa pagtuturo sa amin kung paano maging bold Christian and bold leader. And ayun, maraming salamat and thank you for everything. Dad, Mom, Ate Melissa, bye-bye. Love you. Mama, chuk chuk.
Hello po. Hi, Tito Beer, Tita Arlene, and Ate Melissa. Medyo mahina po yung boses ko kasi inuubo po ako. So, sana po marinig niyo po ito. Gusto ko lang pong sabihin na sobrang nagpapasalamat po ako sa Diyos dahil pumunta po kayo dito, dahil po dun sa mission na ginawa niyo po, sa lahat po ng training, sa lahat po na binahagi niyo po sa amin. And words are not enough to express how grateful we are that you have come, or you have chosen the Gupan po for your mission. And I would like all of you to know na we are always praying for you, and we heard that medyo nagkakasakit na rin po kayo dyan. We will be praying for your recovery po, and I know that God will heal you, and salamat po talaga sa lahat, and thank you po sa lahat, and God bless po.
Tita Arlene and Ate Melissa, and also the UMC New Year Missionaries. Hello, hi. Una-una po sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po ako kay Lord na thank you for teaching us on how to be a bold Christian. And thank you for the lessons and experience we've shared. Salamat po sa lahat, lalo na po sa mga naitulong at suporta na binigay niyo po sa akin. Isang-isa po na hindi po na kayo makakalimutan, Tito Beer. And also thank you din po kay Tita Arlene na for being a loving mother, and sa suporta na binigay niyo po sa mission na ito, sa missions na po ito. And para kay Ate Melissa, thank you for being such a nice, loving, caring, and thoughtful na ate. Hindi ko po kayo makakalimutan. Dahil po sa inyo, naging special ate namin po kayo, and thank God na nakilala namin po kayo, and thank you for teaching us on how to be a bold Christians. So maraming salamat po sa inyo, Tito Beer, lalo na po sa inyo, Tita Arlene and Ate Melissa. Hindi po namin po kayo makakalimutan, and mag-iingat po kayo lagi. God bless po. Mahal namin po kayo, and bye-bye. Hindi po.
Hi Dad, Mom, and Ate Melissa. Just wanted to say that I am very thankful to God that He gave me a family which resembles a ray of sunshine in my life, and you are there, who gives me hope and have shared your love to me, and has given me a chance to become part of your family, to become part of your heart. And so am I. You're all a part of me, and to be as your family, as your son, and as your brother, Ate Melissa. I'm very thankful. I love you all, and I always pray that may God shower you more of His blessings, His strength be as you continue to serve God and share your love and your generosity to the needy. I love you, Dad, Mom, and Ate Melissa. And see you soon. Hope to see you all. Bye-bye.
Tito Vir, I wanna thank you sa pupunta niyo rito and na-mission kayo. Marami po kayong nabagong buhay. And maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga naitulong niyo. Napakalaki ng impact niyo sa buhay ng bawat isa na nandito. Sana next time makabalik pa po kayo and wish you more power and sana po mas maging strong yung mga missions na gagawin niya. Maging successful pa po sa lahat. Thank you po sa lahat. Thank you.
Hello, my Christian life has never been this so exciting without this family, Macarag family. I'd like to say thank you so much for Tita Arlene, Tita Vir, and my dear Ate Melissa. We've known each other for 9 years already, and I'm so thankful I met you. Also, to the whole team, EMC New York, thank you so much. Tita Vir, special mention. I'd like to thank you because you led me into a healthy heartbreak. Yes, healthy heartbreak because I learned something. You taught me something that I need to know. So thank you for everything. Thank you for pushing us. I love the way you do it. I love the way you teach us, the way you train us. You're really pushing us to our limits and serve God for His glory. Thank you so much for everything. I miss you and I love you.
Hello po, Tito Ver, Ate Melissa and Tita Arlene. Salamat po na pinili niyo po yung Philippines na mag-mission po dito. Nagagalak po kung makilala ko po kayo. Marami po akong natutunan sa mga na ituturo niyo po sa akin. Thank you po sa lahat. Bye-bye po. We love you so much and see you soon. We miss you.
Hi Tito Vir, hi Tita Arlene, hi Ate Melissa. Kayo po ay nagpapasalamat sa mga biyayang binigay niyo po sa amin na ginagamit at kami po ay nagpapasalamat na ginagamit po kayo ng ating Panginoong Diyos na magiging daluyan ng mga blessings. Kahit na mabilis lang po or maikli lang po yung araw na nagsama-sama tayo, ito naman po ay araw na punong-puno ng kasiyahan, ng katuwahan, ng kuyatan, ng kwentuhan. We are just praying for you, Tito Vir, Tita Arlene, and Ate Melissa. We are praying for your safety, for the grace of God, for protecting you and guiding you through your days. We miss you, we love you. Thank you, God bless. Bye-bye, Mama.
Hi, Tito, Tita, and Ate Melissa. And I am very thankful and I thank God that I have met you. Well, apparently you are my family, so I can be thankful enough. I just want to say thank you for teaching me how to push. Push. Yes, push. Pray until something happens. Well, it's been a big impact in my life to learn how to push and to just trust on God and everything. And thank you so much, and I pray that God will continually use you mightily in His ministries and more strength for you, Tito, Tita, and Ate Melissa. And to Ate Melissa, God bless with your studies. I know that you are doing a great job. I love you. Bye.